On deck will be Kevin Dimmock, John Deere 5020. In the rules, Colton Rupp, unfinished business. Here comes Craig Kinrod. He's our defending point champion. Won the points title in this class. Everybody seems to be okay. He's the boyfriend of Samantha Martin. And this tractor owned by Jerry Martin, a grain and dairy farmer from Cyrus, Ohio. And that's Jerry Martin here, 5020. This is a limited pro stock John Deere unfinished business. Come on! Equipment from quad tracks and combines to farmers and hay equipment. They have 3 locations: Ashland, Ohio, Medina, Ohio, and headquartered in Wellington, Ohio. Thank you to Wellington Implement, the ultimate equipment dealer for over 90 my trainer, major photographer, Chris Widmer from Widmer Photography. You can check all her photos of every year. On deck is Tom Lumber's son, Matt Lumber's, working overtime. In the hole is Noah Allison, the screen wreck. Right now, that's his wife, Marcia, on the pulling track. Gonna pack her husband up to the track boss. International 1066 light pro stock called Trip My Trigger. Working overtime, Matt Lummers. that was a mess. Well, this guy coming up, he owns the company that is cleaning up that train accident. And they're still working at it today. And they clean up train derailments all over the country. And that right there is why this guy left, and coming up is Todd Wright, the Ford called Twisted Metal. On edges, Robert Lee, the blacktop winger, and John Lorenz on Chance. But a good running Ford up next, ladies and gentlemen. Ready to go with a Ford Light Pro stock, ladies and gentlemen. Todd Wright, Twisted Metal. That's going to do it for the Ford 9600. Star, 540 cubic inch, International 1066, a Chance.